So you guys may be wondering why I have this many Travis Scott cereals. Well, that is a really good question. I'm gonna explain it today in this video. 50 plus, yeah, I'm gonna have a lot more coming in because this is actually only, I'm gonna explain, well, how much it is in a second, and then I'm gonna explain where the other ones are. Cause look, I still got a lot of boxes. Like from what I've opened, like look at that, like that's 4 boxes, and that's like just from getting that, not trying to expose it yet. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you want more content like this, please go ahead and subscribe below. You know, we're almost, you know, we're getting close to 24K. You know, we see we're about to get to 23,800, which I really appreciate all the love, of course. And yeah, you know, if you guys want to see how I got these, go to my reselling account right there. Please follow me. It'll be in the description and my personal Instagram. I'd appreciate it following either of them. That'd go a long way for sure. Follow some of you guys back. You know, if you just shoot me a DM, I'll definitely do that on either of those accounts. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And big unboxings. It's a lot. That's a lot of money too for like this many boxes. Like I'll explain that too. See if we need 100 likes because I know more than 100 of you guys are gonna watch this video. So let's see if you can do that easy. And yeah, I'm even maybe gonna give away some if we hit 100. If we hit 100 likes, just we'll see about it. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it because I have a lot. So let's get started on this video. So you guys may be confused why I have this many cereals, because actually I can make a lot of money off these. Like these cost like, I mean, I bought them for like 4 each, 5 each, and then I sold them for like 10 to 15, and I didn't even have to like pay shipping, stuff like that. So I mean, pretty easy. Like flipping, like you can make a lot of profit on these. Like I'm not trying to say too much. Yeah, I got a lot of them. Like, you know, just I decided, you know, we might as well try and get a ton. This is like 25. I have 65 coming in. I've actually already sold 10 to one of my friends, Ian. He bought 10 for me. So 10, I would have 35, but I only have 25 right now because 10 of them have already been sold. And then I have another 20 coming in, and then another 10 after that. I don't know where that 10 is. I'm still waiting on that. I think it's delayed, like slow UPS shipping or something like that. But I mean, we got a fair amount. Like, you know, the family size ones, like compared, like here, I'm gonna do this. I know people asking about this and why the family size ones cost more than the regular size ones. Well, actually, like look at the difference. I mean, I know you guys probably know family size is bigger, but like it's a lot bigger for the boxes. Like pretty noticeable difference. So like, you know, someone may be selling these for like 10 each, and then someone may be selling these ones for like 13, 14 each, because it just makes sense. These ones are bigger and they have more Reese's Puffs in them. And by the way, they don't taste any different. These are just like regular Reese's Puffs. See, nothing changes. They're the exact same thing. They taste no different. It just has Travis Scott on it, and that's why they're so hyped and they're selling for so much money. There's no other reason. There's no figurine in it, no special anything, just literally the Reese's Puffs and the box, you know, see, special edition, and, you know, Cactus Jack, all that. And actually, you know, people, my brother actually pointed this out. He's like, you know, this is like a collaboration with like General Mills. Like it's just basically Travis Scott and General Mills. I mean, he got probably a lot of money for doing this. I mean, there was like a limited amount, but I think they still have them. Like they're still putting them out. So I'm glad I flipped these while I can, because the market's gonna go down. I mean, I'd recommend if you're gonna try and sell them, you got like a week or so left. Like there's not too much left, I'd say, with these. They're gonna die soon, but then they will go back up. I mean, because they're just gonna stop making them eventually. But yeah, this box is cool. Like I like the family size ones more, just not only because it's bigger, just, you know, just such a little bit more of a flex. Like this would be a cool thing. I'm gonna try and get one for personal so I can put it up on my shelf back there. You see that? There's my new desk and all that. You know, you see that? The boxes from opening them and all that. And I also got the Supreme towel posted up there. Just some random details I thought I'd throw out, but this would go dope like up there on that shelf. Like that'd fit, I think, nicely. And you know, it's like vibrant, you know, Astroworld, like the rainbow, like it's cool. And I love the box. And also in the back, here's what it says. It says, I went to the store and all I got was the cereal box. And yeah, basically Travis sitting there like, bruh. And no, it doesn't come with a spoon in it. That, you know, what would have been cool if they had like the plastic like Cactus Jack spoons in it. If they put that like in them, I think that would be so cool. But like, no, you know, nothing too crazy, just basically the box. You know, Travis was like, hey, you know, people are literally gonna go to the store and they're only gonna get the cereal box. He said it right here. No, nothing, no figurine, just the cereal box, because it's Travis Scott and Astroworld. And you know, Travis Scott fans will literally go for anything. Not only that, but the hypebeast community have been reselling these. Like people have been getting hot on them ever since they started releasing in stores. And yeah, you know, just they're a really easy way to make money. Like you don't even have to trip about it. Like you can sell these and make money. Like one of my friends is selling these for 25 each. Like, and he's selling them already. Like he's, I think, about to run out of them. Like people are buying these for $25. And like, I mean, I'm not selling them for $25. I'm giving people the steals because that's what my reselling name is, you know, CLT steals. I give the best deals because that's what I do. That's what I try to do. Not about making the money, it's about giving everybody deals, but you know, we still make the money too. And yeah, you know, this is just another way, another outlet to make money really easy. So if you want to start reselling them, hey, I got some that y'all can buy. So hit me up if you want to buy any. I will be selling them because I am going to start getting more because, you know, I'm like, why not? Like the people love them. I'm just going to keep trying to ship. I may have to raise the price a little bit because it is going to start getting a little bit harder to get them online, but yeah, you know, cool stuff. Hit me up if you have any too that you want to sell maybe, because I'll buy them like soon. Hit me up like a day or two after this video drops, and I'd probably be more interested in copying once I get these shipped out. But yeah, we got some work to do, and yeah, that's pretty much why I got 65 of them. Makes sense. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. You know, we got them right there. I'm gonna stop really showing them because I just want to talk to you guys genuinely. Thanks for the support recently. You know, my posting schedule's been different because I noticed YouTube likes recommending my videos more when I just post more interesting content, just a little bit less. But don't worry, I'm gonna still stay consistent with the uploads. I still want to post more. Like, I didn't mean for this 3-day break. I'm sorry about that. You know, I have a couple things I do want to point out too. I'm trying to sell that Louis Vuitton bag, so hit me up if anybody's interested in my DM. Linked in the description. And I'm trying to sell that Louis Vuitton duffel, so anybody hit me up in the DMs right there if you're interested in copying those. I'll sell them for good deals. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe for more like this. Drop a like in this video. Try and see if we can hit 100 likes. You know, that'd be cool. And also, here's a few more cereal boxes I have. They're just all packaged up and ready to go. So there's where a couple of them are. So, you know, I would have like 28, but 3 of them packaged up, you know. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Tristan, and peace out.